Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got with me Jenny. Hi. Jenny's a dental hygienist and today we're going to be talking to you about how to get your teeth white and how to do a whitening care that's safe and things like that at home.
So your teeth is like a wee sponge. What it does is like it soaks into those little stains there and it forms a wee discoloration to your teeth there. It's really important to see your dentist or your dental hygienist to see where the discoloration is being caused by.
There are three main ways that we can do an at-home whitening care routine. First method, the gel method.
You get a custom made tray, top and bottom teeth, and then what you do is you dispense a small amount, very small amount, onto the mouth tray and you pop it on there about 30 minutes to an hour there. It's good to use sensitive toothpaste because regardless of any whitening treatment you will experience a bit of sensitivity, like a little tingling sensation there, and so it's good to use sensitive toothpaste to help with the discomfort.
And the second method that we're going to be talking about, and this is the method that Jenny actually recommended for me, is to use these 3D whitening strips. It actually just is so simple. Like, this method is really easy to use.
Yeah, definitely. And this is perfect to use in like during the daytime or in the nighttime because again it's just a wee little sticker and you pop it on top and bottom teeth there for a good old like 30 minutes to 45 minutes.
Like, I think the first time I used it, it was quite sensitive, so you told me to like just reduce the amount of time.
Yeah.
So
it is good to start off with like a short amount of time there, so you can start off with 20 minutes there and then work your way to like 30 minutes or increase like every 10 minutes, so just so you get the hang of it and also your teeth is not experiencing any like a shocking sensitivity there. Brush your teeth after that with sensitive toothpaste. Again, you will encounter like restaining of your teeth there through tea and coffee, and so it's good to use the rest of it as maintenance.
And the third method, which is probably the easiest method, is the Optic White Colgate toothpaste.
This is good for everyday use because it's also got fluoride in it, and fluoride is very important to help prevent dental decay. For the whitening, it does take a wee while to notice a good difference. I do recommend it if you want to start off easy with whitening.
I just realized this, but I bought this thinking that, you know, it gives you whiter teeth, but actually
it's just a marketing strategy. So it is good to look at the package. If it says whitening, to see if it contains hydrogen peroxide, the whitening active ingredient.
You mentioned earlier that, you know, over time you are bound to get staining every now and then, so I think this is a good time to talk about tips that you have for us coffee drinkers and tea drinkers.
A good way to reduce the exposure of any like staining from tea and coffee or red wine, I would recommend to use a straw. This will help less exposure there on your, especially on your front teeth.
This is my method because Jenny and my other friend Lena recommended it.
Non-sugar gums helps to stimulate the saliva flow. The saliva helps buffers your oral cavity into a neutral base there, and also acts like a mechanical removal of staining of your teeth.
So it's not actually the fact that it's like whitening gum or anything, it's the fact that it helps you produce saliva.
Yep. Brushing your teeth there like morning and night time at least 2 minutes does help reduce staining of your teeth, and also in general help remove plaque to reduce like gum disease and dental decay. So using like an electric toothbrush or a manual toothbrush there, regardless of which one you use, they both work effectively. And also make sure you use like fluoride toothpaste to help reduce dental decay.
And flossing.
Yeah, flossing is very important. It helps reduce the plaque level between your teeth. Floss have better access between your teeth, and again helps reduce gum disease and dental decay.
So right now you guys would have noticed that, you know, at-home remedies are going like crazy at the moment in terms of whitening your teeth. For example, charcoal is like a really like popular ingredient to be using right now to like whiten your teeth. So Jenny, what do you think about that, and like do you have any recommendations?
I wouldn't recommend using the charcoal paste. Its purpose is to mechanically remove the stainings of your teeth, but what it doesn't really tell you is that it's quite abrasive, so it's like sandpaper, so you're like removing enamel surface of your teeth, so it damages your teeth permanently. A lot of people think that the charcoal paste works there is because when you brush your teeth with the dark charcoal paste, it gives off that color contrast there to the white and black, so that gives you the illusion as though it's working well.
Yeah.
It can cause a bit of staining of your teeth or even your fillings, so you get that feeling of as though you got to continue removing those stains there, and then again it will damage your teeth.
Yeah, and it sounds like it can really damage your teeth in the long run. So if you are looking at this option, maybe definitely talk to your dental hygienist or dentist first before you do that. So that was all the ways to keep your teeth healthy and white. So thank you again, Jenny, for joining us on the channel today.
You're welcome.
If you have any questions for her, please leave a comment down in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Bye!
See you later.
All the and scent.
And this can be made at, I don't know.
That's what makes your teeth white.
Yes. Can we do that again?